Look at these words. See here, noun. Girl, possessive, girls. Cat, cats. Parul, paruls. Child, childs. Turn your next page. See here. Nouns have a possessive form for which we add an apostrophe. Possessives shown possession. Okay. For example, the boy's bed means what? The bed belongs to that boy. The boy's mother, the mother of the boy. The boy's teacher, the teacher who teaches the boy. Okay. Look at one more example. See here. We add apostrophe s to singular nouns. Means, see here, in this picture you can see here is one boy and one man. That man is his teacher. So we can write here like this, boy's teacher. Okay. After the word boy, we used apostrophe mark and then yes. Okay. Now we will see the next picture. See here. Here are two girls and one lady. Okay. That lady is their teacher. Okay. Then so we can write like this, girls teacher. Means here are two girls. So we have written here plural form of the girls, and then we have written here apostrophe mark. Okay. After the plural form of the noun, we used apostrophe. When there are many girls, we used yes and then apostrophe. Let us look another example. See here. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 children in this picture and one man. He is a teacher of that children. So we can say children's teacher. So here you can see the difference, apostrophe. Apostrophe mark and then s. Okay. See here the difference between these two examples. Okay. See in the second example, plural form of the girl noun is girls. Means we add an apostrophe to the plural noun. Okay. That ends in s. Okay. Like this, means girls, then we have given here apostrophe mark. But in third example, plural form of the child is children. Means we add apostrophe then s to the plural noun. That does not end in yes. Okay. See here the plural noun, that is children, is not ends in s. So we use first apostrophe mark then yes. Okay. Let us see some more examples. See here. Some plural noun that ends in yes. See here. What is the plural form of the girl? Girls. So we can add here apostrophe to the plural noun that ends in yes. Apostrophe we add after the yes. Boy, boys. After the yes we add here apostrophe which ends in yes. See here, which ends in yes. Car, cars, which ends in yes. See, in this sentence we can see here some plural noun that does not ends in yes. See here some plural nouns. Child, what is the plural form of the child? Children. Children, only children. Okay. Then we can write here apostrophe mark and then we will write here yes, because it does not end with yes. See here, it does not end with yes. So we are writing first apostrophe then yes, and see in this sentence this ends with yes. That's why we are writing after this yes we are giving apostrophe mark. See the difference in these two examples. Man, men's. See, the end of this plural form n here, it is not ends with yes like this. So we are writing first here apostrophe mark and then we are writing yes. What is the plural form of the woman? Women. Then first see here, it ends with n. So after that we are giving apostrophe mark, then yes. See what is the plural form of the tooth? Teeth. This also ends with h, not yes. So we are writing here first apostrophe mark, then yes. See the difference between these examples. It ends with yes. That's why we are giving apostrophe mark after this yes. And it ends with different letters. That's why we are giving first apostrophe mark and then we are writing yes. Okay? We will see the explanation of these questions in next lecture. Okay? Bye.